Hello friends, today we are to discuss novel by Jean Rhys, Wild Sargasso Sea. Jean Rhys is a British novelist. She was born and grew in the Caribbean island Dominica. She is written this Wild Sargasso Sea written in the 1966. She has written various books like Midnight, Good Morning, and Wild Sargasso Sea. She is the very very young and good novelist in British and in 20th century novelist. White Sargasso Sea is the novel won the prestigious and W.S. Smith Literary Award in 1967. The novel is mainly the story of the woman Antoinette and who married Rochester and kept into her attic. The novel deals with the themes of feminism, man-woman relationship, and madness. The title of the novel refers wide Sargasso Sea. It means sea. It means sea which is does not shores. It's just a wide or huge area of northern Atlantic Ocean. It is called the Sargasso because it is full of sarcasm and kind of seaweed. It is also legendary kept or for being ocean black hole where ships get ensured by the huge forest or floating seaweed. Sarcasm. In the novel also characters are trapped in their own Sargasso Sea. They may be suspended in the murky passage between England and Jamaica between racial identities. For example, ship of Antoinette drowns into the Sargasso Sea of cultural and racial complexities. Another such a sea, his name is Annette. In this novel, Annette is her mother. Antoinette is a major character, a main character or main heroine in this novel. Annette is her mother or her brother Pierre. This is also the main character in this novel or her father Causeway. He was died in this novel and then her wife Annette married to Mason. In this novel, Antoinette, main woman character or heroine in this novel, based on the mad woman Bertha. In the Gothic novel Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bronte, no love of her parents and childhood in a convent school, marriage to Rochester, a Englishman, and he takes her to England and keeps her in an attic as a mad woman. Second character is her mother Annette Causeway, Antoinette's mother. Troubled by black servant woman, first husband Alexander Causeway dies and then she married to Mr. Mason. Leaves her and then trouble. She was suffering in the various problems and then troubled by a black couple and dies. Third one is the Alexander Causeway, Antoinette's father, ex-slave owner and victim of the Emancipation Act, loss and sugar plantation and where dies. Pierre, her brother, physically and mentally disabled, trapped in their house, burned by the servant. Later on, dies. Sandy Causeway, one of the Alexander Causeway husband, bastard son, stepbrother of Antoinette, hates her. And Daniel Causeway, another main character, Alexander Causeway's bastard children, stepbrother of Antoinette, bad nature, and write to Rochester and tells her that madness rules in Antoinette's family. Mr. Masson, stepfather of Antoinette's her visitors West Indies, marries Annette, but servants revolt and burn their houses. Masson leaves Annette and little children. Richard Masson, stepbrother of Antoinette, Masson's son from his first wife and arranged marriages and Antoinette to an English man Rochester. Visit Antoinette in England, but she attacked him with a knife and she does not recognize him. Then next one is the Cora takes care of Antoinette, sends her to a convent school and helps her economically blames Richard. Next is the mother of Saint Justine, her headmistress of the convent school of Antoinette. Tia, the black girl, childhood friend of Antoinette, and calls Antoinette to a white cockroach, gets her money also and bad character. Melot is a black servant in the woman character, Ty's mother. She is also the woman character in this novel. These In this novel, there are three parts. First is the miserable life of Annette and her dies. Second part in this novel. There are life of Antoinette and marriage to Rochester, and he was takes her to England. And third part in this novel, there is the Antoinette confined as a mad woman and her decision to put the house on fire. These three parts in this novel, there are such a major parts in this novel. First part in this novel, a miserable life of Annette and her death. Antoinette narrates her childhood in Calgary and after death her father, Mr. Cosway. Her father was died. They both are her mother and she, Antoinette, both are the suffering from various problems and experience the downfall in this empire or colonial empire in the West Indies. Annette and Christophine, her servant, came from Martinique Island to Jamaica Island, West Indies. After Annette's marriage, they start living at Spanish Town. They do not fit in with white people in Spanish Town. The Jamaica Annette's husband, Mr. Cosway, was ex-slave owner of Jamaica in West Indies. He lost his wealth because of Emancipation of Slaves Act, like him, Mr. Looted, neighbor of Annette also, and becomes a victim of Emancipation Act. She shoots his dog and leaves never to return. Annette too has little money. She rides her horse, but a servant jeers at her as the shabby clothes. One day her horse is dead and poisoned. Pierre, the young brother of Antoinette, her mother Pierre was physically and mentally disabled. A doctor comes to check him. Antoinette's mother hardly goes out of the house. So Annette spends her time in their overground garden, and they sometimes visit their servant, Christophe, who sings of her home, Iceland, Martinique. Other women are afraid of Christophine. They believe that she has magical powers. The mother of Antoinette tells her that Christophine was a wedding gift from her father. She adds that Christophine, the black servant woman, has protected them in many ways, and other hand, Sass and Godfrey are not good servants. In the second part, Antoinette marries Rochester and he takes her to England. Antoinette, as her father says, leaves the convent school. Then she marries an Englishman whose name is not given, but Rochester Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bronte's Rochester. Immediately after marriage in Jamaica, they spent several weeks in the Windward Island, and then small estate belonged to Antoinette's mother and located near the town called Masquerade. Having going for a honeymoon, and they got a downpour rain and have to take shelter of mango tree. Their half-caste servant woman Amelina with them, and Antoinette sees a black woman Carlon standing out her hunt and near the road and spied her to husband opposite the ran and ran meet the woman. Rochester watches various critically and harshly marriages woman whom he did not know. Just after a month after his arrival in Jamaica, he finds himself with a cruel wife, and because of the Antoinette calls Rochester to Carlos' house, but he refuses. Rain stops and they go to the family estate names Grandboys, and his wives introduce with the servant. Rochester likes the estate, then thinks about the money given him to marry Antoinette. It was the kind of dowry, and the Rochester had come from England, his father, and give given his property to Rochester elder brother. This is the story about the Antoinette, and she is the main heroine in the novel. In the third part, there are the Antoinette story about the marriage to Rochester, and then last when he Rochester was takes her into England. In the last scene in this novel, there Antoinette confined as a mad woman and her decision to put the house on fire. In this last scene, when husband confined, Antoinette is a mad woman, and then she is put house on fire. Rochester takes Antoinette to England, and Rochester's brother and father have died and left the family fortune for him. Rochester appoints Grace of a watcher and Antoinette in her attic. Mr. If is the who is the appointed Grace, she has also assured Grace and Master is good and gorgeous, but he returned from the West Indies as a poor and miserable man. All the servants except five are dismissed, and Rochester Grace happy and safe, but the fear her charge, and Antoinette, who looks unruly, the and fire. When wakes up in the morning, Antoinette wonders why she is been sent in this room. Her husband never visit her. Antoinette can seize Grace and sleep with her the attic, and Grace, her servant, drinks and sleep. Then there are no mirror in Antoinette's room, no mirror. Antoinette hunted the voices, and once Grace sleep, Antoinette steal the keys and walk outside. She finds that her world was made for cardboard. One morning, Antoinette wakes up with the body aching and wrist red and swollen. She does not remember anything. Grace explained what had happened. Her step brother Richard Mason and her comes their visit to the night and before. The night Antoinette dreams for the third time and in her dreaming she steals the keys and goes to a red room and she lights her candles and knocks into the drapes. She sees wall of flame behind her and she goes black upstairs and she her horse Rochester crying the name Bertha and sees the bathing full of the colibri down and tie taunting the coaxing and jump down. When she is about the jump, she wakes screaming and though she wants to enact the dream, she steals the keys and Grace and goes down the passage with the candle in her hand. In this way, she was dreaming, and in this way, the ending in this novel, Antoinette, main heroine in the novel, was died, and she was the put the house on decision to put the house on fire. Thank you.